Good morning or early afternoon. I'm stalling. So I don't want to do dishes. I'm always doing dishes. Why am I always doing the dishes? You may wonder. I don't have a dishwasher. It's these. Ugh. I don't mind them. They get them done fairly quick, but still it's a pain in the ass. Anyways, we're gonna do some dishes. Alright. Might as well get started. You're gonna hear the water running, some banging, clanging. We're home today. We were at the pool the past couple of days. It's been hot. Real hot. I'm just down at the grandparents' house at the pool. My dad's house. Today it's raining. It just started raining out, pouring out. Maybe we should be alright. Hopefully it'll break some of this, some of the weather. You know what I mean? Some of the heat. Take my ring. There we go. It's been a while. It's been a long time. I had a little running show with my daughter for a while, the BoBo and Bean show. I've been thinking about coming back, trying the vlogging thing myself. See how it goes. First one. Do some editing. All that good stuff. Video editing. I don't know, I just figured out how to do an intro. I get that done. Now I just gotta figure out how to mix that into the video. We'll see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do daily vlogs or weekly vlogs or whatever. We got some plans coming up this summer, so we'll get those on there. I don't know, maybe some videos of the pool. I think we're going up to Old Orchard Beach in New Hampshire. It's like it's just, you know, they get a little boardwalk there, and it's like a fair, like a carnival. The carnival games and rides, and it's on the ocean. It should be fun. It's like your old-timey good time. Still drinking coffee. That's a plus. Coming up on 8 years on that, and I haven't had a drink in 8 years. That'll be yeah, in August. That's good news. Still, just recently quit smoking. That's been about 3 months now. I haven't had a cigarette in about 3 months. So that's good. I'm gaining weight. I don't know how I feel about that. But gained about maybe 15 pounds, and I think in about 3 months, 2.5 months, 3 months, something like that. The heaviest I've been, 155. So I guess that's a plus. Usually when I'm washing dishes, I have a movie going on my iPad. That's I'm recording you guys right now on the iPad, just right over the sink. Usually I watch, catch up on some films and stuff like that. today I figured we'd give it a shot. Oh, you may hear the thunder in the background. Huh, that was close. Yeah, still got my Darth Vader mug. My wife and I, we got a contractor to remodel the house and the kitchen back here. So when they start that, I'll throw that on the vlog too. That should be fun. Is that the bean? No, the bean's back there. It's crawling on the floor. You want to say hi? No. No? She doesn't want to say hi. Bean's gotten, I don't know what you want to call it, embarrassed, but she's getting too old. Too old to be hanging out with Dad. That's alright. Oh, there she is! Say hi, Bean. See, she's getting big. You know, I gotta do a little bit of editing and stuff, yeah. Anyways. Home vlog! Alright, I'm gonna stop for now. I'm gonna keep doing the dishes unless you want to talk. No? Okay, I don't know. You don't seem to... It can't be that interesting to you watching me wash dishes. So I'm gonna pause now, edit it into some other stuff, and we'll come back. And we'll continue the conversation. But for now, good day.